Okay, so you want to learn how to solve one of these, but you don't know how. Alright, so solving a Rubik's Cube is a lot easier than you think. First thing we're going to do is what I call daisy. You're going to surround the white surface, or the yellow surface, with white side pieces, as we have done here. Then, you're going to match each color with its center, like this, and then do this. Flip it over twice. So, these two are matched. They're all matched. Alright. And one quick thing that you will need to learn is right and left trigger. This is what left trigger looks like. You go up on the left side, and you go counterclockwise on the upper side, and then bring that back down. That's left trigger. Now for right trigger, that's the exact opposite. You're going to go up on the right side, clockwise up top, and then down on the right side. You're going to need those, you will need those to solve cube. What you're going to do is, if you have something that is up top, like we have here, what you're going to do is you're going to perform right trigger or left trigger, depending on what side it's on, twice, like I did. What you're going to do is match this corner piece with its center piece, as long as it has white with it. And then you perform right or left trigger, depending on what side it's on. That was on the right side, we're going to perform right trigger. Do it again over here. And now the bottom face is solved, along with the first layer. What you want to do now is you want to match the bottom piece, the piece right here, with its centerpiece, as long as this doesn't have a yellow piece. And then you're going to look to the left and look to the right, and you move this to the side that it is not on. You do not want this to be with its family yet. So you're going to move it over here, and then perform right trigger, and then move it back one and perform left trigger, and it's in place. Now I have nothing without a yellow piece up top, so what I'm going to do is displace this by performing right trigger, and then I'm going to move this over here and perform left trigger. And now they were both displaced. Now what we're going to do is match this up. Doesn't want to be with that quite yet. We're going to go up, left, down, over, up, right, down. And then we're going to do it one more time. And the second layer is solved. Now, you need to know the notations for the cube. F is the front face. R is the face to the right. You're gonna, by the way, whenever you see F, R, U, whatever, you turn it clockwise. If you hear prime or inverted, you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. So R is this way, R prime is like this, L is like this, L prime is like this. B is like this. You move the back face. B prime is like this. D, which is down, is like this. D prime is this. Now that you know that, let's perform our first algorithm. Make sure if you have no yellow faces on top other than the centerpiece. By the way, white stays down from now on. If you have no pieces or two pieces on top, perform F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now, you'll either have two of them there, or none of them, or a straight line. If you have a straight line, this, perform that. And once you get to here, when you have this, put a yellow corner piece in the upper right hand corner of the left face, and then perform R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. When you're right here, put this on the bottom left corner and do it again. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now your cube, the upper layer is solved. I put this right here, align this up, and once you're here, as long as, even if you have no solved sides, perform L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, R, U, R, U2, no, R, R, okay, I'm going to start over. If you get right here, perform F2, U prime, R prime L, F2, L, R prime, F2, and then do that exact same thing again, and the cube is solved.